Think of packing a suitcase. Same bag, but organization determines capacity. Batteries are the same. Packing active material, binder, and conductive agent into a limited electrode is called mixture density. Higher density can store more energy. So how do we increase it? First, stack the materials well. Stuffing only large balls into a jar leaves empty space, just like filling the gaps with small ones between large ones. This reduces the empty space of the electrode. Second is pressing process. We roll the electrode like dough. Single crystal materials are great here because they withstand pressure. Adding heat to the rollers or pressing in multiple passes achieves even higher density. But don't overdo it. Too much density removes the voids, blocking the electrolyte and causing ion traffic jams. Also, cutting the binder too much to save space or pressing too hard can damage the plate. High density isn't always better. The key is the perfect balance of capacity, charging speed, and safety.